Hello, this is the Wolf Cat. I'm a Japanese. Today, I'd like to show you the way to use kanji in English. Let's play with kanji. I will introduce two kanjis today. First, this kanji. This kanji means right, justice. Japanese pronounce this kanji 正しい. Then let's use it. You are right. Okay. Please replace alphabet with kanji in this sentence. Please try it. Okay. You are right. Okay. Next. Is this the right answer? Please replace alphabet with kanji in this sentence. Did you do it? Please try it. Answer. Is this the right answer? Is this a right answer? Yes. You can pronounce this. Is this the right answer? Okay. Let's go second. Another kanji. Okay. Hi, this kanji. This kanji means small, little, or tiny, etc. Let's try use it. The boy is small for his age. Okay, please replace alphabet in this sentence in kanji with kanji. Please try it. Please try it. Okay. The boy. It's small for his age. Okay. Were you able to? Okay. Okay, next. One more question. Do you have a smaller one? Please replace alphabet in this sentence with kanji. Okay. Smaller. It's difficult. Thinking. Please think how to replace. Okay, did you do it? Do you have a smaller one? Do you have a smaller one? Were you able to replace? Okay. You are able to use kanji in English. Please try this way to use kanji if you are interested in Japanese. This time, you learn two kanji. Tadashi, right justice, and 小さい. I'm sorry. Japanese pronounce this kanji 小さい。正しい。小さい。Okay. Thank you for your looking and listening. See you again later.